Hi, Dick Lane here. We're stuck in the tundra. Sell your car. We're gonna explore this tunnel. Let's go.
You literally can't see anything in here.
I know. You taking it? You taking the camera?
Oh, me?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought you were coming down.
I am coming down. Yeah.
Let's scoot go down because I'm kind of standing here.
Huh? Take it.
Dude, you literally can't see. Just submerged my whole fit.
Jacob! Jacob!
What?
Take a camera. I can't go down one-handed. I can barely go down with two hands.
Dude, we're not even going to be able to see when the water starts rising up.
Oh, shit.
Maybe Scoot should just go down the other tunnel.
Scoot. Dude, there's a camera in the way. I forgot how much I got down here.
The nipple monster.
God almighty.
Talk about him, Scoot.
The nipple monster coming. Lick your nips. Dude, you literally can't see anything in here, man. That's sexual. Here's Scoot.
Give him a problem and sit down that way.
Alright. What's happened is we're in a tunnel. We don't know where the hell we're going, but we're in a tunnel, and we're trying to find a way to get out of here before we all die. There's light that way. I literally don't feel comfortable going down this tunnel, but... Why? There only might be a dead animal in there. Let's go. Let's go what? We're going down. Oh, where?
Which way?
Towards that way.
Hell no, we ain't going down that way.
What?
Dude, you can't see anything.
We need a flashlight. I'll explore the woods. Make it. Alright, let's just go back out. Wait, do you have a lighter? Let's make a campfire.
In here?
No, in the woods. Alright, go back out. Alright, here you press stop. Word!
Have you seen the dreaded Bigfoot is coming to get us?
What? I can get up. I just need to...
We found a way to freedom. We're trying to get away from the Bigfoot while we can.
Get quick dog and throw. Oh, shit. Oh,
Well, I'm doing way than last time.
Alright, Bigfoot.
Alright, here's the camera.
Hand you the sex camera. Oh, shit. This is going to be fun. Wait, I'm recording.
Kia Mazda Stevenson.
This is Dick Lane for Stephen Mazda Kia. Here to sell you a car.
Coming out. I'm ready for you to get up. Me? Yeah.
Is it recording?
Stop here. No, it is. I think it is recording.
Pop your head out like the Nantucket Rapids.
I think I found my way out of here.
Yeah.
Alright, let's go explore the woods. You ready? Situation is, we found the Inuit's house. We're gonna climb the fence and try to see if we can scavenge some food. What I'm doing is I'm sex climbing.
Party when you're up there.
Party while you're up there. Sex. Wait, which one was mine?
That one.
Oh, it's sick.
Get ready for this. Get over this side so I can see.
One learn you got a rule when you're wearing a sick hat like this. You gotta hold it like Michael Jackson. Swish it. When it gets to about this point, you just swick your hair back and just stick it on, and everything's already going fast. It's sweet like a Jeep. Right around you.
Take it.